Welcome to the video on configuring a Dynamics 365 OAuth 2 account in SnapLogic IIP Designer. In this video, we will add an account to use the Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales Snap and understand how to configure Dynamics 365 OAuth 2 account. Prerequisites: ensure that you have created and registered an application in the Azure portal to associate with your Dynamics 365 OAuth 2 account. Contact your IT admin in case you haven't done your configuration. Also ensure that you have the following account information handy: the client ID or the application ID, the client secret, the tenant ID or directory ID, the redirect URI, Dynamics org URL, resource, and the necessary Dynamics CRM permissions for configuring the account. To the SnapLogic Designer, add any Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales Snap. For this video, let's use the Dynamics 365 for Sales Create Snap. Click Add Account in the Snap's Account tab. Select the location where you want to save the account and the account type. For this video, we will save the account in the default location and select OAuth 2 account as the account type. Click Continue. In the Create Account dialog box, specify a name in label for the new account that will be recognizable. Enter the appropriate Dynamics organization URL. Copy the application ID from the Essentials section in the Apps Overview page of the Azure portal into the Client ID field. Copy the value from the Client Secrets tab of the Certificates and Secret page and paste it into the Client Secrets field. Now, copy the Tenant ID from the Azure Portal App Essentials section of the Overview page. Replace tenant in the placeholder URLs in the OAuth 2 endpoint and OAuth 2 token with the tenant ID value from Azure Portal. For this video, we are using authorization code as the grant type. For token endpoint and auth endpoint configuration parameters for account configuration, refer to the latest documentation from the respective endpoint. For Microsoft Dynamics 365 authorization code, you require response type, redirect URI, and resource as shown. In case you want to auto-refresh the access token when it expires, then you also require offline access. Click Authorize. Give consent in the permission request screen. On successful authentication, the access token, refresh token, and access token expiration are generated. Click Validate. Select Auto Refresh Token and click Apply. Click Save. We have configured the Dynamics 365 OAuth 2 account for this snap. We can use it with any snap in the MS Dynamics 365 Snap Pack. In this video, we have learned how to define a Dynamics 365 OAuth 2 account.